Me and my husband met Shawana through my brother-in-law, Brian. He's a realtor in Texas. He met her through Instagram, social media. And it took us about a while to decide that we were going to buy a house in Florida. But once we talked to Shawana, she just made the process so easy. She encouraged us and kind of made the decision easy for us, right, babe?
Really. Honestly, it was the first house Shawana took us to, really, that, we really just kind of decided this was going to be our home.
Right,
This was going to be our first house that we were going to stay with.
Right, and she gave us all the necessary tools. She made it easy for us to understand. She guided us through the whole process. So we just felt so secure with her guidance. She really is a superstar. She made this process short, and it was a little stressful. It's a little bit of a roller coaster, but being with Shawana just made it all so much better.
And she's very informative, very knowledgeable about her craft.
Yeah.
I know for a while there, I was still kind of on the fence about should I go with this house or should I not, and I still wanted to take a look at some of the houses out there. And she was very honest. She was very upfront with information. She made sure you knew all of the facts about what you were getting yourself into. So I really appreciate her candidness in that way. So,
we were really up and down a lot, actually.
Yeah.
She was there to catch us when we just felt like just giving up. So we do appreciate her. Now we're at the final process and closing, and we are so excited to enter our new home. Thank you, Shawana.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Shawana Boyer, known to some as the real estate queen here in the beautiful Sunshine State. I come to you with great pleasure to speak about this phenomenal family, the Myles family. They grew on me. I actually met them through their brother-in-law. He did his research. He did all his due diligence on me before he called me. He was like, hey, I have a family that's moving there and I want you to help them. He was like, I see you all over social media. So he connected us. A year later, they reached out to me again, and I found them a beautiful home in less than 5 days, and we closed under 20 days. And something that I remember vividly about the family, it was one of the sons, he's a twin. When I was out showing them properties, he presented a flower to me, and I just thought that was just so adorable that he presented this to me. And it's something I would never forget. And I want to leave you guys with this. Being a realtor is not easy, and I want to go back and say we're not just realtors. At least I can speak for myself. I'm a real estate professional. I will fight for you to the end. I'm your dedicated realtor. If you need me 2-3 months, a year after you close on your home, I will be there for you. So that's one reason why you should give me a call on today. Hire me as your real estate professional, because I will fight for you till the end. Once again, this is Shawana Boyer. You can give me a call at 904-330-4114 or find me online at shawanaboyer.com.